What up, YouTube? Brokefarmer back for another video on this beautiful day, y'all. And today I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna protect my fruit from dogs, cats, birds, squirrels, hogs, frogs, and antelope. Stay tuned. All right, let's start off by clearing something up now. Last video I said you got to grow enough for the animals, you, and the neighbor. And I felt like that until my loquat tree got ate all the way to the ground. Then I said, oh, maybe I need to do something. So that's how we began with all this. And here we go. Let's start off with bird netting. I need to cover up my blueberries. I've never seen a bird net. Matter of fact, is that look like a blueberry, a pink lemonade blueberry on his mouth. So this might be for me, y'all. But I gotta protect it. Bird netting, yada yada yada. 14 by 14. That's a lot. Let's do it. All right. This is way more than I thought. But these blueberries about to turn, so we got to get it up though. Should be easy enough. Anytime I say easy enough, it's gonna be hard. We're just gonna drape it. I don't have any landscaping pins to put in it, none of that. I'm just gonna cover it up and cross our fingers. Most times, the only thing I see people catching these bird netting is snakes. If a snake get caught in it, they're gonna live there till they get a social security check. I'm not getting it out.
Been stuck here in a bed for days. I've been staring at the telephone, cause when you're gone, I miss your face. Late o'clock, body talk, there's no need to bring it up.
All right, it's all covered up. Can't get in my blueberry. Can't get in there. You cannot get in there. Look at them. They were just getting ready to turn. Oh no, not this year, birdies. Not this year. Yeah. And it's way more than I need. I probably could cut it off and use it on something else, but I'm not. That's the first one. We got the blueberries protected. What's up next? All right, I got these bags, I don't know, 2 years ago, but I didn't have that much fruit, so they just been sitting in the shed. But we're gonna take a couple of these, cover our pears up, make sure they don't get them. Let's go get them. I got a couple pears here. I know the birds be pecking at them, and you know, they don't even eat the whole pear, man. They just, I don't know. So I'm gonna take this, cover up this pear. It's plenty big enough for that pear to keep growing. We're gonna put it down over it like that there. And we're gonna take these two strings and just close it up. That's all we're doing. I'm not tying no knot or nothing. It's on there tight. I got a few more pears I want to cover up. That one. Yeah, we're gonna eat some of these pears this year, y'all. Ain't nothing getting my pears. At least these. At least these. All right, got them covered up. Let's see what they look like. All right, we got that one in there. She good. Got that one in there. She gonna grow full, but we got a couple I'm not gonna cover up. I just want to guarantee that I get to taste this one. All right, this is what I'm trying to cover up. These are European Asian pears. So we're gonna bag up a couple of these. I've never tasted these, but we're gonna taste them this year. We definitely gonna taste them. Bag them up, bag them up. Bagged up. And I'm not bagging all of them. I just want to guarantee I get the taste of fruit from every tree. That's all. A couple of these look like aliens on here. We're gonna pull them off. All right, we got a couple of them bagged up. I'm gonna go back and bag up most of these. All right, these are loquats from the Champagne loquat. I got two. Never tasted a loquat. I'm gonna make sure that I taste one of these goddamn loquats. So we're gonna bag off. And look, one of my loquats already split. Look at that. Oh, it got a little seed. We're gonna put that right there. All right, loquat bagged up. Now, a couple of them I will go back and bag. This is my Arkansas black apple. This is the first year it flowered. So I will go back and cover this fruit. And also, my golden Dorset. Focus in. I got 2 apples last year, and one of them had a hole in it. So I'm gonna go back and cover these up. I just don't want to knock the buds off. But all the flowers starting to get ready to turn to apple. Soon as I see a apple on there, she getting covered up. And this is my first Honeycrisp apple flower. If it do last to start forming the apples, she getting covered up. Definitely. This Red Haven peach, I was gonna cover up a couple peaches. Yeah, I got enough for all of us to eat. I ain't worried about not having no fruit. So yeah, we ain't gonna worry about this. Or this Red Globe peach. This is first year fruit, and it went insane. Them some big peaches. These gonna be some huge ones. I got enough. I ain't worried about covering these up. I'm not worried about not having enough. But this is my nectarine. It's only one nectarine. I want to taste this nectarine. Please don't knock it off. 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 All right. Go on in the oh my goodness. Let me set up the camera. All right. Let's cover this baby up. Nothing will ever touch you but me. In a good way. In a good way. All right. She's cinched up and ready to go. Yeah, I'm gonna need to put some burden in over these mulberries. Shangri-La mulberry. Let's see what it tastes. Delicious. D-E-E-licious. All right. It's my Ivy Organics. Makes 3 gallon. 3-in-1, this the gray. Hey, and go down in the description, you get 10% off. Yeah, do it. But I want to spray different trees for different reasons. As I spray the tree, I explain to you why I'm spraying that tree with Ivy Organics. Boom. And the Ivy Organics, if you didn't know, has all kind of essential oils in there. Whole bunch of stuff to protect your trees from sunburn, insects, and rodents. Let's talk about it. All right, this is my peach tree. I'm spraying this peach tree because the Japanese beetles love it. And I know it ain't time yet, but this stuff is good for about 3 months. Most of your Japanese beetles or your June bugs just eat the leaves, but it make the tree look bad, y'all. So I'm gonna spray the 3-in-1 on here to protect from the beetles and any other bugs that want it. And I'm gonna hit the base. Oh, and DeWalt, yeah, I bought this, emailed me. So I'm gonna spray the base, I'm gonna spray the limbs and the leaves. That should keep any bugs or pests from eating my leaves or my fruit. All right, as I'm spraying it, I can see bugs flying off this tree. All right, quick note about the Acre Organic. If you wonder why I'm spraying and why I got fruit on there, it is organic. It is 100% organic, will not hurt you. The other thing, these fruit trees already have fruit on it. So bees and wasps and stuff like that aren't attracted to it because they like the flowers, not the fruit. So I'm gonna spray my plum tree. I'm not worried about hurting no bees or nothing like that because they're not attracted to the fruit. They're attracted to the flower. I knew somebody was gonna bring it up. There you go. All right, this is my Santa Rosa plum. I'm spraying this because it get a lot of bugs on it that eat the plums up before I get to it. So we're gonna spray this down. I already got the whitewash on the trunk, but now I'm gonna spray the leaves and hopefully keep the Japanese beetle and everything that's trying to eat my plum. I repeat, it will not hurt the fruit. But I would wear glasses. I do have glasses on. You don't want to get it in your eye. And if you wonder what I'm trying to protect, let's go in and see exactly what I'm trying to protect, y'all. Do y'all see all them plums? Do y'all see all them plums? I'm trying to protect all these plums, baby. Daddy want all these plums, y'all. All these plums, there's so many of them. There's so many of them. All right, here you go. Bug already. Okay. Something already in this. That's what I'm talking about. I'm trying to protect. Yeah. All right, I'm finna spray my pear. Two of my pear trees I have whitewash with the Acre Organic, but the smaller trees, I'm gonna spray the base also because when a tree's small like that, rabbits and anything can gnaw on it. So I'm just gonna keep that confusion down. I'm gonna spray these apples down. Another thing, hopefully it'll stop the stink bugs from getting on the apples and messing the apple up. But it's a lot of things, bugs and insects that want to eat on the apple. So we're gonna spray these down good. Little Honeycrisp apple. Little Anna apple. And it's really good for young trees. I can't emphasize that enough. Keep these animals from gnawing on it. If you stay out in the country like I do, ain't no telling what'll be in your backyard. And shut up, bird. You know, keep the cats away. I'm sure the cats don't like this smell either. And cats everywhere. And hopefully the smell is strong enough for birds won't sit on your limbs and try to break your limbs off. All right, and I'm gonna spray some on my tomatoes to try to help out with the tomato hornworm. Hopefully they don't like the smell of these essential oils and all this goodness that's in there. So we're gonna see if it helps. Would be good not to have no tomato hornworm, I can tell you that. And I got to spray my new loquat. A rabbit already done ate one. Let's try to stop that now. I'm spraying the base and the leaves. If a rabbit like essential oil or flavored loquat tree, go get it. If you watch a rabbit, there you go, go get it if you like it. And I'm gonna spray a little bit around the base to try to keep everything from around the base too. All right, moral of the story, as a gardener or anything else, don't be afraid of change. I had one belief, after something happened, changed my whole belief. Don't get so caught up in your belief system that your garden go to hell. I don't know how else to put that, y'all. Let me know how y'all protecting y'all fruit and all the good stuff y'all got going on in your garden. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm up.